Hi YouTube content creators, today we will be making this cool random text color effect. In your edit window, create a new fusion composition. Name it whatever you want. Drag the composition into the timeline and right-click and select Open Fusion Page. Connect a Text Plus node with your Media Out node. Add your text in the inspector. Decide on your font and size of the text. I like you, so I will add like with a little smiley face because we are all happy. Next, go to Effects and search for Color Gain. Now to connect the node, simply select the node, hold Shift and drag your cursor to the line and make sure it highlights. You can also use the shortcut, select the node, hold Shift and hit space. Now make sure the color gain is selected and on the right, under gain, start with the red gain. Right-click, modify and select shake. Now do this for both green and blue gains. Now you will see a Modifiers tab. Select that and double-click on each gain to change the smoothness to 0 and press reseat a few times. Make sure to do them for all three colors. Now as you can see, you have the glittering effect, almost like those neon signs, also a little epileptic, I guess. Cool. Next, with the color gain node selected, click on the rectangle icon. Now drag the rectangle to the first letter and adjust the width and height, so only the first letter changes color. Now let's duplicate it. Select the two nodes and hit Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to copy and paste the nodes. Hold Shift and drag it to connect it with the other nodes. Now select the rectangle and move it to the second letter. Do this for all the letters. Very nice. Now let's add a nice glow. Hold Shift and press space and search for glow. As you can see, it adds a black background. Go to Settings and select the A for Alpha so it gets rid of the background. Now adjust the spread and shine threshold. Now add a stop motion node next to the glow node and you will have this nice flickering effect. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and check out this handwritten effect video. See you next time.